Today, we will continue our journey. We will combine multi-smart money concepts together and use price action to have trades. Of course, we'll be using our superior trading view indicator also. A great education day. If you are good to go, let's start now. Today, I want to also look at things from a different perspective as well. The mistake that we all do. We find a bias and we think that price will move on towards that bias forever, like non-stop. For example, look at this chart. I have a general long bias on this. Then I noticed this lovely equal low sweep with imbalance tap. The price fully filled up now. For example, I decided to make a cost average based entry right here, starting from this point. Then the price moves around 2%, assuming 20x leverage. This would be a nice profit. This is how you get out. But what do we all expect? We wish the price to go higher and higher and higher. Yes, we have a bullish bias and targets. But reality is not like that. Price can crash any second. A tweet from Donald Trump, or maybe a bad global news. Sometimes any economic data can ruin our trades any moment. So at the end, you cost average or use a classic RR, it really does not matter. You must be quick and compact. Let's say you enter a trade like this. Less you stay in a trade, it is much better. Please do not dream like these 10R trades that you saw in the social media. This is just false. 10R means you will gain 10% in the account with a single trade. Can you show me one single trader, a person, can do this constantly every day? It is practically impossible. Secondly, I want to talk about specific trade points. In any chart, when you look at it first, it will just feel ugly and confusing. Just like this chart. But you need to look closely. Then you will be solving the small puzzles. Notice the triple equal lows here. A sweep in here can give you a trade idea. Why not? Maybe a little cost average entry. It is quite possible. What if you hate cost averaging? Then wait for more confirmation. Notice the structure break here, then the small pullback into imbalance, a nice 2R trade. Another great possibility in my opinion. Later on, notice how the price creates another equal loss right above the imbalance zone. This is another trade idea, why not? A place that I can build a position by using cost average techniques. Because I know that price has now filled up and I can try to get a quick trade here. Now check this chart. Another ugly and confusing chart, right? After this nice strong break, notice how the price creates these equal lows right at this point. And actually, people building long positions here. And look closely. These trades are not wrong or right. Actually, they are working if you look at it closely. 1R or 2R gain, they will give you something. If you just can't stop being greedy like 5R or 10R trades, you can make some money out of most trades that you enter. If you do not take profits or tighten your stop losses in time, probably you will be the food. You will be the liquidity sooner or later. Notice how the price sweeps all the liquidity, all the stop losses here. And in my opinion, another great point for me to build a DCA, a yo-yo style cost average trade here. Why not? Quite possible. Or I will just wait for a structure shift and use a small compact 2R trade. This is how you trade. Small, quick, and compact setups. Because markets are really cruel, especially in 2025. Conditions can change any second. Your morning bullish bias can turn into a bearish bias in a couple of hours. Okay, folks, ending this great lecture. Learned about great trading concepts today. Please take care and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you